David here, your certified remote financial planner, using technology to make financial advice available to you on your schedule and wherever you may be. In today's post, I'm helping you answer the question of, do you need life insurance? It's not always the easiest subject to talk about because, well, it involves thinking about life when we're no longer around. Life insurance is all about providing for the people that we love, and to consider why we need it and how much we should have, we have to imagine us out of the picture, and that can be very difficult. Well, before we get into that fun activity, let's answer another question. What is life insurance? Well, if I could get a little dark with you real fast, it's basically a contract on your head, except hopefully there's no assassin out to get you. Life insurance pays out a predetermined amount of money on the insured person's death to the designated individuals or beneficiaries of their choosing. There are many different types of life insurance, but this post will focus solely on term life insurance, which is simple, cheap, and generally the only type of coverage that someone needs. Not everyone needs life insurance, and those that do only need it until certain life events take place. And that's what makes term insurance, which provides coverage for a set period of time, so perfect. For example, you may purchase a $200,000 10-year term policy. If you pass during the 10-year period, your beneficiary would receive $200,000 from the insurance company. Term insurance is simple and straightforward. All right, so now that we have discussed the basics of life insurance, what types of people really might need it? The short answer is people with financial dependence. In general, these people fall into one of the following categories. The first is people who are in committed relationships. When you're in a relationship, your financial life gets intertwined with another person, and you may have shared responsibilities to pay for a mortgage, household expenses, credit card bills, pets. If the household were suddenly to go from 2 paychecks to 1, that may create a financial hardship on the surviving individual. Life insurance could provide protection through this transition period to avoid a financial struggle becoming an unbearable pain for the survivor, such as mounting credit card debt or losing their home. The second major category of people, and the one that's really the most keenly aware of their need for life insurance, is parents. Whether you're the parent that works full-time, takes care of the children full-time, or anywhere between the two, you have a need for life insurance. The primary income earner in the family may want coverage that could replace their income for 20 or a 30-year period, financially providing for their children until they're self-sufficient and allowing their spouse to retire comfortably at a normal retirement age. The primary caregiving parent also has a large insurance need. Without them being available to care for the children, the household expenses could skyrocket. The average cost of daycare is above $10,000 and could be a significant burden on the surviving spouse that still has to go to work. The third and final category of people that I discuss as having a high need for life insurance that are identified in the post is business owners. They have a unique need for life insurance because they must consider what they wish to happen to their business after they've passed. Should it continue to operate? Will it be liquidated to provide for their family's financial future? Will their business partner purchase their share of the business? The answers to these questions create different life insurance needs that should be considered if you're a business owner. So those are some of the base groups that need life insurance. Now, what about the other end? Who just does not need life insurance coverage at all? Well, an insurance agent is going to tell you that everyone needs life insurance. And there's some truth to that, but it really depends on your financial situation and desires for those that you love. If your assets exceed your debts and no one depends on you financially, you may not really need any life insurance. But if you wish to have a large, elaborate funeral and want to fly in all your buddies or want to contribute a bunch of money to a charity when you die, then you might want life insurance. As with all things in finance, it's a personal decision and depends on your preferences and desires. So that's the basics of who needs to have life insurance. Make sure you check out the post to learn how to calculate the proper level of coverage and where you should get it. Spoiler alert, coverage through your employer is cheap and easy. So with that, thank you for watching, and to make sure you're always up to date with the best financial advice, subscribe to this YouTube channel, my weekly blog, or schedule a free 30-minute one-on-one call with me, your certified remote financial planner, using technology to make financial advice available to you on your schedule and wherever you may be.